Dave McCauley shop down in Franksville Road in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And what Dave has an F550 with a utility truck, box truck with a broken tap. It wasn't something that he did, it was something that was a botch repair from the previous shop. And Dave has a 8mm 125 cap that the previous repair broke off. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to go ahead and drill through a tap today and rescue the engine head without pulling the engine and replacing the head, or vice versa. What we're going to use is our new ProMAXX. This is a PPT platinum device that both cuts and rips metal. We're going to use our plate. As you can see, David's already bolted up, and we're going to use the my drill with a flexible hose that we also provide to make it easy, so we're not stressing it or breaking the platinum bit. We're going to give it a try.
About to come out. There it is.
Wow.
Right there. Whoa. That bitch just ate it.
David has shown you that you can remove a broken tap with the ProMAXX tooling. We had a couple different steps. First, to flatten the stud, flatten the tap, put a flat on it because it was jagged and it would just eat up tooling. Once we got a flat in it, we started drilling into it. That's what he did. He drilled all the way through it. And then we had a piece drop off and break off, so we used one of our reamer bits to ream out the remaining material. Left a little bit of fragment you can see that David removed. So now, obviously now, we're gonna have to go ahead and drill, tap it, and put an insert in it, but far better and stronger than the original aluminum thread. Nice job, David.
Thank you.
Yeah.
They work beautifully.
Now what he's doing is, because the previous repair, they actually drilled it oversized and broke the tap off and it messed up the head. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use our thread repair kit, and David's going to go ahead and drill it, and he's going to go ahead and run a tap in it and then install our steel insert, which is black oxide coated for corrosion resistance, and we'll be done. So stay tuned. What he's going to do now, he's drilled a hole to pre-tap it. We're going to tap it and put an insert in. Right back. So David just finished running our tap through, our Pro Tap, and now we're going to go ahead and put the insert in. He's using our insert and our insert tool. He's turning right. You see how easy it goes in? That's exactly the way you want it. You put a drop of Loctite red locking fluid. Our kit comes with it. You screw it right in there. Now we did put a little bit of anti-seize, permanent anti-seize on the insert tool so we can extract it. How'd the job go overall? What do you think?
It was grim this morning with that broken extractor, but the tooling just made it, you know, this engine would have come out.
Yeah.
The head would have to come off and go to the machine shop, if not be replaced. So, yeah, I mean, the tooling works awesome.
The alignment, you're okay because you had good alignment, everything else?
It lines perfectly.
Good.
Everything is just, it works perfectly.
How do you feel the drill bits cut? Satisfactory to you?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, they cut like no other bits that you're gonna buy in the store. I mean, they throw metal. You know, if you do it just like you say, toggle the drill, get it started, and then cut low RPM at first, and then, you know, it really works good.
I noticed you commented about the tap, the ease, how the tap worked. Any other thoughts on how the tap worked for you?
The tap works unbelievably. It cut through that head like it was, you know, nothing. It just put threads in it beautifully. The insert's in there. It's just, we'll wait till morning and the manifold can go back on.
There you go. All right, David, thanks so much. Good job. Mike, working with you. All right,
Thank
man.
you.